Okay, once again we're confronted with a question that has multiple operators in it. We've got a division question and also it has some subtraction in the denominator. This is a typical science question involving the calculation of a density. Doesn't matter for now. First thing we want to do is get the actual answer without any rounding, which is simple enough. I take my 216.8 and I divide it by 1.278 minus 1.009. The bottom of it becomes 0.0269. And when I perform that calculation, 216.8 divided by 0.269, I get 805.9479 and there's quite a few decimals there, 947955. I'm just going to cut it off here because I'm looking at my original question and I see 4 sig figs and 4 sig figs on the bottom and 3 decimal places on the bottom, and I just to cover all my bases, I've got more than I think I need. Now the question is where to round it. Well, if you look at the original multiplication and division, we know the rules. The top has 4 sig figs. So if we put that on our top, I'll do it in red. The top of my equation has 4 sig figs. And it looks like the bottom has 3, but we have to remember it was figured out using subtraction. So we got to make sure we're correct on that. Well, how do we do it? We line up the two numbers with the decimal places and we do our calculation. And then we round off to the least accurate column. That's the rule for addition and subtraction. Well, we know the answer, 0.269. The top number has an uncertain digit where the 8 is, and the bottom number, the last uncertain number, is the 9. So anything below these will be uncertain. We're allowed to have one uncertain digit. So yes, it looks like for sure there's 3 sig figs in the bottom. So I've got 4 on the top, 3 on the bottom. I round off to my fewest number of sig figs. So 1, 2, 3 sig figs. I have to round it off here. The number right to the right of it is a 9. So my final answer is 806 grams per liter.